rainy day, installing electric lights. What could go wrong? We're out here in Smith Farm Estates installing some outdoor lighting on the Wayne Harbin model. We want to make sure that everybody who drives by can see this place as they go down Yorktown Road, which is right over here. So we are trenching a trench. There's a sleeve underneath the sidewalk here. We're putting a trench down over to here. We're going to put a light up on this tree. So as this matures, you'll be able to see the undercarriage of the whole tree and all the branches and the main trunk. It'll just light up and look really cool. From there, we're actually going to take it all the way down to the end here past Nelson and Alex, and we'll put another light up on there, and then we'll put a light on his sign so you'll be able to see the sign. This is a really pretty house. This is their model, and we're also going to light this up as well. So you can see where Frank is right now. We're going to put a path light there, another path light, and then a path light over by the front door, and then a path light here. So the walkway underneath will be lit up. And then we're going to light up the main house. So we're going to have 2 lights lighting up in here. We've actually got 3 lights in this area right here just for the dormer here and the front entrance. And then another light on there on the side. And then who wouldn't want to light up a magnolia? So of course we're going to light up the magnolia, and then down the side of the house hitting our other magnolia back in here. So the end result is, this is Yorktown Road right here. It's a pretty busy road. And of course, the first house is the model. So why wouldn't we want to see this thing at night and then show off the stonework? It's really, really cool when the lights are right next to the house. It creates this shadowing effect, and so it gives it a very architectural look as you put the light on there, because it's got little shadows underneath. Really, really cool look. But if you haven't checked out this house, if you're looking for a new house, you really have to come out and check out these houses that the Harbins are building. They really look good. But I'll show you some pictures of what this looks like when we're done. It'll probably be Thursday or Friday before we have pictures at night showing it off. But I can't wait for you guys to see it. Thanks for watching. I don't do too many nighttime videos, but I was just swinging through the area and had to show you guys what this lighting that Frank did earlier today looks like, because you can actually see it at night and kind of get a feel for the stuff that I described in the videos and know what I'm talking about. So kind of the first thing here, I'll kind of step back so you can kind of get a view from a distance. So we've got a light here, 2 lights there, and then there's actually 2 lights right here. There's a light that's hitting this area in here, and then a light that's hitting this area in here, and then there's another light right here that's kind of washing over the whole area in there. So there's actually 6 lights on the front of the house kind of lighting it up. And then you can see we've got a light on the magnolia kind of shining up inside of that. And then down the side of the house, we have another 3 lights. So you can kind of see on the side, the 2 there, and then this light right in here, and then another light on the magnolia. So just lighting it up. And then the path lights along the walkway. You can kind of see this lower light right in here. And then the street trees are lit up as well. I know I show you guys a lot of times what I'm talking about with lighting, but I figured, hey, why not shoot a quick video and actually show you guys what it looks like so you can get a feel for it. And I'll show you these path lights right here. So we put a couple boulders in here when we did the landscape, and then we have some perennials, some grasses in the back, and then some nepeta that'll fill in along the front. So when this light is shining down, it kind of highlights and accents the rock, and then when the perennials fill in, it'll accent that area. You can see again another rock, so the light just kind of highlighting that rock there, and then highlighting this rock collection right here. So kind of making little vistas or displays, if you will, out of the rocks and the path lights, just to kind of show off the landscape and make it interesting as people are walking up at night. I don't know if you can see me or not, but Thanks for watching. See you guys.